In today's video, I'm going to clear up a really common browser question. Why do Brave, Chrome, Edge, and sometimes even Firefox seem to update around the same time? And do they all use the same engine? If you've ever looked at browser version numbers and thought they were somehow all connected, you're definitely not alone. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what's going on, why the updates happen together, and why Firefox is actually different from the Chromium browsers. If this video helps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tech explanations like this. 1. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about the browsers that are closely related. Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Brave, Opera, and several other modern browsers are all built on Chromium. Chromium is the open-source browser project that serves as the foundation for these browsers. Think of Chromium as the core engine and codebase that browser companies build on top of. That means when Google improves Chromium, the browsers based on it can take those changes and release their own updates. So when you see Chrome, Edge, Brave, and Opera updating at roughly the same time, that usually happens because they're all syncing with a newer Chromium release. These updates can include security patches, performance improvements, stability fixes, and new browser features. Since they share the same underlying foundation, their release cycles naturally line up pretty closely. That also explains why version numbers can look so similar. For example, you might see Chrome on version 140, Edge on version 140, and Brave on version 140, or very close to it. That doesn't mean they are identical browsers, but it does mean they're all built from the same Chromium version underneath. The major version number is often tied to the Chromium branch they're using. Now here's where Firefox comes in. Because Firefox is different. Firefox does not use Chromium. Firefox is built on Mozilla's own browser technology, including the Gecko engine and the Quantum browser platform. That means Firefox has its own codebase, its own development team, and its own update schedule. So if Firefox happens to be on version 140, while Chrome is also on version 140, that is just a coincidence. The number does not mean Firefox is based on Chromium, and it does not mean it shares the same engine as Chrome or Edge. This is one of the biggest misconceptions people have. A matching version number does not automatically mean matching technology. It only means the browser has reached that version in its own release timeline. Firefox could be on the same number as Chrome, or a completely different one, and that doesn't tell you what engine it uses. Another big reason these browsers update at similar times is security. Browser developers move quickly when vulnerabilities are discovered. If Google patches a serious issue in Chromium, the browsers built on Chromium often need to update soon after, so they stay protected. That's why you may notice several browsers announcing updates in the same week, or even on the same day. Mozilla also responds quickly to security issues in Firefox. So if you're seeing Firefox update around the same time as Chrome or Edge, it may simply be because the browser world is reacting to recent security research, bug reports, or stability fixes. The timing can look synchronized, even though the browsers are still built differently and managed by different teams. Let's break it down in the simplest possible way. Google Chrome is Chromium-based, Microsoft Edge is Chromium-based, Brave is Chromium-based, Opera is Chromium-based. Firefox is not Chromium-based. Firefox uses Gecko and Quantum instead. So the reason Chrome, Edge, Brave, and Opera often stay close to the same version is because they all pull from the Chromium project. Firefox, on the other hand, follows its own independent path. If you're a regular user, the main thing to remember is this. Similar update timing does not mean all browsers are the same. It just means the Chromium browsers are closely connected through the shared core they're built on, while Firefox runs on its own separate engine and release process. So the next time you see multiple browser updates pop up at once, you'll know exactly why. Chrome, Edge, Brave, and Opera are often moving in step with Chromium, and Firefox is simply updating on its own schedule for its own platform. If this explanation made things clearer, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech breakdowns, and share this with someone who still thinks every browser runs on the same engine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.